Lady Gaga's Bad Romance is a famous song that explores the complicated feelings people can have in love. It was released in 2009 and quickly became popular around the world. The song is energetic and catchy, but its lyrics talk about the darker side of love. When you want someone so much that you ignore their flaws and the problems in the relationship. Lady Gaga has said that bad romance is about loving someone even when it's not good for you. The song mixes feelings of desire with conflict, showing how love can be both exciting and difficult. Let's look at what the lyrics mean. In Bad Romance, Lady Gaga sings about wanting a deep connection, but also feeling trapped by obsession. The main message is that sometimes people fall in love with someone who is not good for them, but the passion is so strong that they cannot let go. The lyrics show that love is not always perfect. It can be messy and confusing. Sometimes we want things that don't make sense, and we can become obsessed with someone even if the relationship has problems. For example, in the chorus, Lady Gaga sings, "I want your love and I want your revenge." This line means she wants all the love the person can give, but also all the complicated feelings and drama that come with it. She is asking for both the good and the bad parts of love. She doesn't want just a simple, easy romance. She wants everything, even the pain and difficulty. When she says revenge, it means she wants the strong emotions that come with love, even if they are not always positive. The lyrics also say, "I want your psycho, your vertigo shtick." Here, Lady Gaga is talking about wanting the wild, crazy side of someone. Psycho means someone's strange or intense behavior, and vertigo shtick refers to feeling dizzy or confused. She is saying that she wants every part of the person, even the things that make the relationship complicated or hard to understand. The song uses words from movies and thrillers like those made by Alfred Hitchcock to show that love can be like a psychological game. Lady Gaga also sings some lines in French. "Je veux ton amour et je veux ta revanche." This means, "I want your love and I want your revenge." The use of French adds a feeling of drama and passion to the song. It makes the emotions seem even bigger and more intense, like in European films. The phrase, "caught in a bad romance," means that you are in a love relationship that is not good for you, and you cannot easily leave it. Caught means to be trapped or stuck. In a bad romance refers to a difficult or unhealthy love story. Example, she keeps going back to him even though he's not kind to her. She's caught in a bad romance. Here are some examples to help you understand. "I was caught in the rain yesterday." This phrase means that I was outside and the rain started unexpectedly and I got wet. I was trapped by the rain. She's caught in a difficult situation. This phrase means that she is in a problem or a challenge that is hard to solve or escape from. Next, "I want your ugly, I want your disease" are used to show a very strong and intense love. Ugly means something that is not beautiful. In the song, it means the bad or negative parts of a person. Disease means a sickness. Here, it is used as a metaphor for a person's problems, flaws, or emotional pain. Lady Gaga is saying that she loves this person so much that she wants even their imperfections and problems. She doesn't just want the good parts, she wants everything, even the ugly and sick parts of them. Example, he has a bad temper, but she loves him so much that she says, "I want your ugly." Next, when Lady Gaga says, "I want your everything as long as it's free," means that the person wants all aspects of the other person, all their good qualities, and even their problems. The phrase, "as long as it's free" here means they want this without any conditions or restrictions. It's not about money, but about taking everything without giving anything back in return. Example, she wants his friendship as long as it's free. This means she wants to be friends with him, but only if it doesn't require any effort or cost from her. She won't make an effort for the friendship. Let's look at some other simple phrases from the song. The phrase, "I want your love, I want your drama" means that she wants both the good parts of a relationship, love, and the exciting, emotional, or even difficult parts, drama. It shows a desire for an intense connection that isn't always easy. Example: he only wants me for the fun times, but I want his love and his drama. I want the good and the bad. I want your horror. I want your design. Here, she means, I want every part of you, even the things that are scary or different. I want your love. This is the simple wish to be close to someone. To summarize, the main idea of bad romance is that love is not always easy or perfect. Sometimes, people want a relationship so much that they accept all the problems. Lady Gaga's lyrics show that real love is about accepting someone completely, the good, the bad, and even the ugly parts. Let's practice some simple sentences based on the song. I want your love. I want you to care for me. I want your ugly. I accept your bad qualities. I want your revenge. I accept the drama and strong feelings. I want your psycho. I accept your strange behavior. I want your disease. I accept your problems. You can use these examples to talk about relationships in English. For example, you can say, I love my friend, even when they are angry. My family is not perfect, but I accept them. Sometimes love is difficult, but I still want it. Understanding bad romance helps us learn new words and phrases about love and relationships. The song teaches us that love is not just about happiness. It can also be about accepting difficulties and learning to live with someone's flaws. To review, Lady Gaga's Bad Romance is about wanting someone so much that you accept both the good and bad parts of a relationship. The lyrics use strong words to show how love can be exciting, dramatic, and sometimes painful. By studying the song, you can learn how to talk about feelings in English and how to describe complicated relationships using simple words. If you are learning English, try to use the words from the song in your own life. Practice saying, I want your love, or I accept your flaws. Remember, love is not always easy, but it can be beautiful when you accept someone completely. Lady Gaga's Bad Romance is a great example of how music can help us understand emotions and learn new language. By listening to the song and reading the lyrics, you can improve your English and talk about your feelings in a new way. The song teaches us that love is not perfect, and that's okay. What matters most is accepting each other no matter what.